Welcome everyone. It is Sunday, July 13th, 2025, and I am in front of the famous King's Cross station in central London. It is about 8 a.m. in the morning and it's already super busy. And let's do a little walking tour of the area. Show you guys what's around here. In case you're wondering, never been here. So this is the King's Cross Square. There's a lot of people waiting, hanging out, doing their thing. Construction going on. There's a lot of restaurants in the nearby area and McDonald's. So this whole area, you can get trains to other cities. There's also the underground, which takes you around the city, and taxis, which you can get right over there. And this is the entrance to the underground. And that big building over there, it's St. Pancras International train station, which I'll do another video. But first, let's go inside and take a look at what's around here. These trains are the ones that take you to other cities around the country. As you can see, people are already going to their trains because it just opened up. It's super busy right now. Let's see what else. A lot of people waiting. There's also a lot of shops here, which I'm gonna show you guys. Shops, restaurants, get some drinks, hang out. As you can see, it is super crowded. It is summer after all. So first, you can get your tickets here if you don't have a phone.
Train at platform 9 is the 0852 Lumo service to Edinburgh.
And there's the board where all the trains are going. Leeds, Edinburgh, Cambridge, Sutherland, Lincoln. And it tells you what platform to go.
This is a message to all.
So you pretty much have to wait here and see what platform you have to go to. Because it doesn't always say on your ticket. Sometimes it's last minute.
Their staff are working hard with the police to catch the thieves.
Alright, so there's a lot of people. See, there's a Starbucks. Of course, there's a line. There's a shop. There's restaurants up there, which I'm gonna try to go. Another ticket machine over there. There's toilets, family waiting room. And there's the Fred coffee shop. Kio's restaurant if you need something for your skin. It's a little convenience store if you want to get some snacks for the road. You have ATMs if you need cash. Looks like that's the first class lounge. And here's the famous platform 9 3/4. There's always a line here. There's a Harry Potter shop. There's another shop. And you can leave your bags here while you're waiting for your train or other things. It starts at about £10 for 3 hours and so on. And that's right from the platforms. Right next to them, so not too far away. And that's where the toilets are. Here's another coffee shop. There's plenty to eat. You can do it around here while you're waiting. These platforms 9 and 10. And now let's here's another sushi spot, Sushi to Go. Great. It looks like it's another breakfast spot. It's super busy, so it must be really good. Another restaurant that's closed right now. Lifts, elevators. Another restaurant. There's more toilets, stairs, and of course the coffee shop.
Thank you, Doritos.
And that's it for the second level. Now let's go back down and I'll show you guys the outside. There's another shop. It's a little bigger than the other one. You can get snacks, fruit sandwiches, alcohol, whatever you want. A little bookstore. Here's another entrance to the underground. Flower shop. We want flowers. And that's the St. Pancras International, which you usually get the Eurostar from there. And that's it for the inside. As you can see, it's super busy. And over here is just more buildings, construction stuff. Now let's walk. towards the other side. And this is where you get the taxis. They pick you up and drop you off around here. Another coffee shop around here. So there's plenty of coffee shops here. If you see a long line, just go to another one. The G&H bar. There's like a breakfast, lunch restaurant. Another Printman's here. As always, watch out for pickpockets. Let's get crowded around here. Be aware of your surroundings. And this is the other side. So there's the McDonald's, Leader Chicken, Nando's. And let's walk a little bit this way. It's a bus station. And that's about it, really. And that should do it for this video. Just wanted to show you guys what's around here. So if you come here from Heathrow Airport, we'll pretty much be in the middle of London, and then from there you take other trains to your final destination. So yeah, lots to do around here. A lot of action going on. If you have any questions, let me know. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe and like. I'm almost to 1,000 subscribers, so please subscribe and like. And that's all from Central London.